Pigs on mulch. Trying something new this year. Putting deep mulch, deep bedding down for these pigs. Keep them from tearing the place up so much. And I'm trying to lock in some of the moisture I got this winter. So far it's working. They haven't tore it up. They haven't moonscaped the place. In past years, they'll dig in the dirt. They'll dig 2.5 feet deep holes in here. Let's go check that hole out that they're cooling off in. These pigs will be gone pretty soon. In the spring and summer, I use the pig pen for gardening. A lot of times the pigs will really compact the ground, tear it up. I'm hoping that this saves the ground and I can just start planting directly in it. So far the mulch is keeping the ground nice and wet. They don't have to dig a 2-foot hole. They'll just clear off the mulch, find that cool wet ground, and lay in it. I'm using corn stalks for mulch, for bedding. That's what I have available. Anything would work. Wood chips, straw, rotten hay, whatever you got. We've been feeding corn stalks to our cows. We got them in a winter storm. We had a big storm this year. Working pretty good. It's been a really warm winter. Really good for growing bacon.
Did somebody say bacon?
Watch it, dude. She likes a good scratch. Go down here, watch. I think the mulch really helps to keep these pigs warm too. I did have a tarp here. They tore that off today. I'm gonna pile mulch all up in there. Just cover that up. Keep the cold wind out of their house. It's starting to tear things up. That's kind of what pigs do. And now I'll take some in their house, build up their nest. Cover in their hole a little bit. That'll keep the cold wind out of their house tonight. They can use all that feed for growing bacon instead of keeping warm. A little dusty in here. I'm gonna throw the rest of this mulch up there in that corner. That's where they like to bed down at night. Make a real nice nest for them. Let's go over a few updates on the pig project. So far, I've spent $392. $150 each for the pigs, that's $300. And they've gone through 8 50-pound bags of feed at $11.50 a bag. That's $92. $392 total. The pigs have been here 35 days. When they arrived, they weighed 70 to 75 pounds. I'm guessing they weigh 140 now. That's 75 pounds plus 65 pounds in 35 days for 140. That means they're gaining 1.86 pounds per day. They've got 52 days left. Excuse me. They've got 52 days left I think they could gain 2 pounds a day, especially in this warm weather. That means they can gain another 100 pounds before processing on February 18th. That would put these guys, just guessing, at 240, 250 pounds. That would be perfect. From the last pig video, I asked people to send in names for these guys. Their names are Pork Chop and Boston Butt. Thanks a lot for playing along. For this video, let's try to guess their weights. I weigh 180 pounds. I'm going to step inside the pig pen, get close to them. You can judge me against the pigs. Tell me what you think they weigh in the comments. What do you think? 140 pounds? Maybe 150? Maybe more than that. Pigs on mulch. Thanks a lot for following the Pig Project at the Windmill Garden. We'll see you next time.